Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy and sell stocks on Trading 212 explained. So first of all, you want to go to CFD. This will allow you to buy the stocks. Make sure you set up your account and add funds to it, or you can practice with virtual money. All the steps will be exactly the same. The only difference will be is that you'll be using fake money and not real money. So it's good for practicing. And then what we do, we go down to stocks here. And then here we can see a list of all of the stocks available on Trading 212. So go ahead and select one, for example, Netflix. I want to view the chart in a better fashion, so I'll press expand. And then here we'll be able to see the actual chart powered by TradingView. And let's get up some indicators. So like volume down the bottom is always good. And then average price here. So here we can toggle off on and off the indicators. And here we have all the tools from TradingView. And here we can select the custom time intervals that we want to view the chart in. So if we want to do a trade, what we do is go over to here and we can see all of the information about the stock and also click on one of these and they will expand up the buy and sell window. And here we can select buy or sell, select the value or quantity. I like to do value. So say that I want to do a value of £100 and I want to buy. Here I can set limit stops. Here we can set take profits and stop losses. We can either do it in the result or price. So I do it in result. So I go ahead and pick one of these. Say that I want a take profit of 50 and a stop loss of 100 or 50 or minus 50. We can do that also. We can set trading stop losses. So this will be the distance in which the trading stop loss will activate when the trade goes in your favor. So if I'm buying and it goes up, the trading stop loss will stay at a distance of 0.66 from my current order. And after all that, you can see further information, leverage, etc. Press buy, and that will place the order for you. And as you can see, the market is not open right now, so the order was not placed on here, but this is exactly what will happen if you place an order, buy or sell. You would see all of the information here regarding the trade, click into it, alter it. But yeah, here you'll see all the take profits, stop losses. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.